Hello guys, welcome to TechRix tutorial. In today's video, I will show you the step-by-step tutorial on how to automate emails in Monday.com. So by the end of this video, you will learn how to do them. So without further ado, let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to of course open our browser and go to Monday.com, and then you will be directed here in this page. So just go on your project. So in this example, in this video, I have created an example. So this is a project. So let's say our project is Project Robot. So this is just an example so that I can show you how email automation works. So we have here the Project Robot. So what we're going to do is to create the body of the robot, the programming, and then of course the design. And after that, the next thing that we need to do is to set up the owner, which is me of course, and then the status. So let's do it not started, and then of course the due date. So I have set the due date on June 7, and then the next thing that we need to do is of course set up now our automation. So let's say for example that you want to automate to make an email if the status of one of these projects have been changed. So let's say for example that we want to create a email status if this body of the robot has been changed to done. So all we have to do is to go here on the automate. So just click automate right here, and then once you click this, you will be directed here on this page. So after that, so you will be directed here on the explore. Then you can go here on the basics, then also for the featured if you have the pro version, then the notifications, status change, recurring, due dates, and so on. But for this example, all we have to do is to go here on the search bar and then search for when status changes to something, notify someone, which is right here. So just click use template right there, and after clicking, you will be directed to this page. So what this basically means is that when status changes to something, then notify someone. Alright, so since we're going to create a automation, so what we're going to do is when status changes to done or something or stuck or in progress, then we're going to email someone, maybe your team or your members in this project. So what we're going to do now is to click this status right there, and then you will see this status button, but you could also add a new column. But for this instance, let's just click status right here. And then after clicking status, the next thing that we need to do is to click changes to something. So just click something, and then you will see right here, you will see done, working on it, stuck, and not started. So let's say for example that we want to notify someone when something or one of our project is already done, then just click this done right here. Okay, after clicking done, the next thing that we need to do is to go here on the bottom. So since we want to create an email, so let's delete this one right there, and then search for Gmail, which is right here. And after that, just click this, and then you will see then the Gmail icon, then send an email to someone. So what this basically means is that our account will send an email. So what kind of email are we going to send to someone? So just click this icon right here, and then just choose the account that you want to choose. And then after that, send an email. Once you click that, you will see that you will be able to type your project, and then of course you will be able to type your email. Since we are going to send that the project is done, so we're going to put the title as the project is done. Then you can also type your email, so what kind of description you would like, but I will leave it as it is. I will leave it as a blank. And then after that, just click this someone right here. Since I don't have any members right here, I don't have any team, so let's just send the email to me, which is right here. So just click that and then click create automation. And then after that, the automation, which is the email automation, will now be created. So starting from now, everything in our project that has been set to done right here, an email will be created and will be sent to our notifications and our inbox. So let's say, for example, now that you want to create a due date, or you want to send a notification or a due date that the deadline of the project is near. So all we have to do again is just go here on the automate, and then just click this add automation, and then just click this when this happens, and then click this dates arrives. You see that right there, and then just click it, and then do this. So just do it the same thing that we did last time. So then send an email, so since we want to send an email that the project is already on its due date, we're going to type just type it however you like it, and then send it to someone, which is me. Let's say that, for example, this is your team. So just click your email right there, and then let's add it to when to notify on this date. So let's change the when date arrives at, let's say, for example, 7 a.m., which is right there. And then after that, let's click this, and then you can change the day. So the default setting is that 1 day before date arrives, which is at 7:15. So let's change that to 7. And then let's say, for example, you want to send the day 2 days before the date arrives, then you could also do that. And you can also change it to before or after. So let's say, for example, we want to send it 2 days before the date arrives, then all we have to do is to click 2 days right there. And then as you can see right there, it is now on 2 days before. Then we click the date, and then click due date, which is June 7. So just click create automation right there, and then it will now be again created. So we have created another email automation on Monday.com. And if you go back right here, so as you can see, the due date is June 7, and the date right now is June 6. So if I set this 2 days before, then let's say, for example, it is still on June 4, then tomorrow I will receive an email saying that the due date is near and it is 2 days left only. And after that, you're basically good to go. You can explore the automation right here. You can add automation. So you will have a lot of options that you can do to create an email automation, and then just do it. Then just explore it. Then you can now create your own automation on Monday.com. So that is basically it for this video. Thank you guys for watching Tech Tricks tutorial. I hope you learned something, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day, everyone.